Welcome, hello fellow primates, and welcome to another video. Today we are doing yellow lenses. Basically you got this lens yellow material, put it on your headlights, make some yellow. We're also going to do a little bit of electrical tape, getting it ready for racing. Back in the day when people had glass headlights and they shattered, that was bad because then there's glass all over the road. So you put like a film on it to keep the glass together, or again you see those black X's on the headlights. In the case that there was an accident or it got hit, it would keep the glass together and then cause less problems. Modern cars mostly have plastic. The BMW has plastic lenses, so not necessarily a needed thing to do, but we have the film. It's a very cheap installation, and that's what we're gonna do. So I've got this first one apart already. So basically, if you do have a BMW, you're taking these apart, you have 2 bolts at top, and then the rest of it actually is just clips. Just a million plastic clips. I shouldn't say that. There's probably like 7 or 8. And then the side markers come out. So side markers first, then the headlight, and the lens. I'll show you on the next one.
Did you watch a tutorial of this already?
No, this is free-basing. What am I doing?
Just hold that in.
Okay.
So it's going to be like that.
Okay, so we start in the middle.
So you hold that right there.
Okay.
That top layer comes off, right?
I hope so. This will look alright, I think.
That top layer comes off, we should be right.
Knife edge. Fancy. It's like a new used lens.
New use. And you just heat up and trim up.
Yeah. Definitely if you want them to look perfect, you should
Clean it.
Well, I cleaned it, but I mean sand all the pitted marks out of it and stuff like that. So like this one over here is super dull and super rough. Like I can just feel it. That's just gonna show up underneath the yellow. Maybe I'll sand that. Oh man, rustiest BMW in the world, living up to its reputation. No, don't come apart. Okay. Alright. Get them nice and clean so there's no contaminants on the surface. We forgot to do on the bottom of the last one. Look at that. Looking pretty. You know there's some dirt on your lenses when this is what happens when you wipe them. Well, I think that looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Better, worse? Not too bad? I think it looks decent. If you like this video, go watch 2 more. If you like those, then hit that subscribe. Thank you very much, and I will see you on the next one. Did you know you can get Octane Monkey gear at octanemonkey.com? That's right, we got shirts, hats, stickers, even car parts. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button.